I'm going to teach you Julia Jacklin in her song called Small Talk. I believe it's off her first solo album. It's a fairly straightforward song, very accessible to beginners. And so we start on the F. And I believe, I watched a video of her playing it. There's no capo. And I'm playing the F like this. So I'll go over the fingering. And then C. You play a C7 if you want. That's optional. The basic thing you gotta play is F to C. Right? So for the F, the way she's playing it is index finger on the B string, middle finger on the G string. The index finger, by the way, is on the first fret, B string. Second fret on the G string for your middle finger. Okay, third fret, we're gonna play the A with our ring finger, the A string. And then we're gonna play the D with our pinky at the third fret. That's how she's playing it. But if you want, you can just play the 3-finger F, that's fine. That is just same thing, except we leave off the A string. We play first finger on the B, first fret, middle finger on the G, second fret, ring finger on the D string at the third fret. And then all you have to do to get to the C is just move your middle and ring fingers up one string. Okay, but just to go over the C, just for people who are just starting out, it's first fret on the B string with your index finger, second fret on the D with your middle finger, and third fret on the A with your ring finger. Now this is optional, but I think they're throwing in the C7, and that is just putting your pinky on the G string at the third fret. It's optional. Just throw it in whenever you feel like it, though, if you want to. And then back to F. Now it's very important you keep your strumming going the whole time. So sometimes you'll be strumming just like that. 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2. All right. Sometimes that means sometimes if you keep that going, sometimes you're gonna have your fingers moving and you're gonna strum. That's okay. If we're mainly strumming strings 4, 3, 2. So you just kind of get a G kind of sound. All right, and even if you get the A string in there, it's okay too. It all sounds fine. Okay, there is a tendency when people are teaching things to overcomplicate stuff. I could talk about why that is, but I'm not going to. Just saying, this is not a super complicated song. And if someone tells you it is, there's something going on besides the song. Okay, that's my lesson for Julia Jacklin. Small Talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.